Hey everybody, I'm Evan, and this is my page, The Grainiac, where we go over everything to do with grains. Wood grains, beer grains, meat grains, going against the grain. Just figured I'd take a second and let you know what's in this video. It's going to be a real quick how to do it, how to brew your own beer. I do it with extract kits. Sometimes they come with grains you need to smash and then put in a muslin sack. Sometimes I do the brew in a bag method. It takes a little longer. Today's brewing is really easy. It just comes with a liquid malt extract and 3 packages of hops. 2 ounces I use during the boil, and then 1 ounce I'll put in a week after it ferments, and then it goes for another week, and then I bottle it. So it'll be 2 weeks of fermentation. I'll bottle it, then it'll be in the bottles for 2 weeks while it carbonates. So this is a real quick condensed video to show you can brew your own beer. You just get a beginner kit from Northern Brewer, Midwest Brewing. There's a lot of different companies you can get the buckets from. Usually you can find them on Craigslist. You can get started brewing at home for as little as probably $25–50. You get some used growlers, or you can get new caps for them. You can package bottles. If you do 12-ounce bottles, a 5-gallon kit will do about 48 bottles. But yeah, it's a fun hobby. It's not terribly expensive. You can end up saving money. So subscribe to my videos, scroll through, see if you like what you see, share it, let people know, and I'll talk to you guys soon.